In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to turn off the timer on your Panasonic air conditioner. This is super simple and only takes a minute once you know the steps, and it's really useful if your AC keeps turning off automatically when you don't want it to. First, make sure your AC is actually turned on. The remote won't let you adjust the timer settings if the unit is off, so double check that it's running. Once that's confirmed, grab your Panasonic remote and look for the timer off button. This button controls when the AC will automatically shut off, which is great for saving energy, but sometimes you just want full control. Now, if the timer is active, you'll see a small timer icon on the AC display. To turn it off, press the timer off button. If your remote has up and down arrows, you can use them to adjust how long you want the AC to keep running before it shuts off. The timer usually goes in 10-minute increments, so you can set it to 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even a few hours if needed. Once you've picked your desired time, hit the set button. This confirms the timer, and again, you'll see the timer icon appear, letting you know it's active. If you decide you don't want the timer on at all, it's easy to cancel. Just press the timer off button again, and then either hit the cancel button or toggle the timer on off button depending on your specific remote model. The timer icon should disappear from the display, indicating the AC will now run continuously until you manually turn it off. A quick tip, some Panasonic AC models also have a 24-hour timer function. If you accidentally set that, the regular timer off button might not cancel it immediately. In that case, navigate to the 24-hour timer setting in your remote menu and make sure it's set to off. And that's it. With these steps, you now have full control over your Panasonic AC without worrying about it turning off unexpectedly. Whether it's for a hot day or late night cooling, you can keep your room comfortable exactly how you want it.